Welcome to the NovaCore NovaCloud tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how to import documents into the system. Importing documents into NovaCore is really simple. All you have to do is simply click on Tools/Config, Import Documents. If you have purchased NovaCore's ready-made framework documents, it is good to know that you can actually bring in your very own documentation, not only into the CMS side, so your frameworks, but the document management system as well. When you do click the Import Documents button, you'll see that there will be a wizard that will guide you through the process. You simply choose the framework in which you want to import the document, and as you can see, all of your available frameworks are there, including your DMS. Then you click the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. This will progress you further and allow you to go into your documents folder in which you want to grab your document. We allow importing of Word, Excel, PowerPoint Publisher and PDF files. The DMS does support video and image files as well. Once you've selected your document, you simply continue by clicking the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. It is very important to choose your classification of the document. So just below the word classification, you want to do a single click and then it will reveal a drop-down menu where you can choose what kind of document it is. You can also change the revision number in which it imports and also rename the document as well. If you have ready-made templates, you can apply those on import as well. Simply click Next and the arrow in the bottom right hand corner again and the Finish flag to import the document. We can now go to our SRTO framework, check our policies and have a look for our imported document that we just brought in. It will appear there and also in your traffic light system as well. If you choose the DMS option instead of classification, you will simply choose the folder in which you would like that document to be in. So if we have a look at that again, this time we will simply choose the DMS and choose the folder in which we want to import that document. So instead of classification, we will choose folder and it'll bring up your folder structure within the document management system and allow you to place it in the specific folder that you're wanting to place the document. In the NovaCloud environment, importing is slightly different. You will not have the option to select the file if you go to Tools/Config, Import Documents. It's actually even easier in the cloud. All you simply have to do is on your local computer, open up the file in which you want. So the actual folder that contains the file that you would like to import. All you have to do then is drag and drop it into your NovaCloud environment. You will then see on the bottom right hand corner, you will get a file transfer window that pops up. That'll let you know when it's completed. Once the file transfer has completed, it will automatically open up the importing external documents wizard for you that you can then continue to change the document, the classification and apply a template exactly like the offline version. The only difference between the NovaCore and the NovaCloud environment is you simply drag and drop documents from your local computer to the cloud environment to import them, and you do not have to go through the import wizard. Visit novacore.com.au or head to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/NovaCore Systems for more helpful tutorial videos.